Hey everybody, I'm coming to you from Sharp Auto Body Rock and Roll headquarters, and I want to share some videos with you that I'm going to record for the next week or two, and I thought I'd do it from here. So what I want to talk about today is I had a lady come in, and her ex-husband had backed out in their driveway and hit her vehicle. Now, first, before I tell you the rest of the story, I want to explain the difference between the insured and the claimant. If you're the insured, you're the person that caused the accident. If you're the claimant, you're the victim. Somebody's hit you. So in this particular case, the woman that comes in for the estimate, she's the claimant. Her ex-husband backed into her car. So she comes in, I write her an estimate, and I think it was about $3,500. And yeah, and it may seem like a lot, but people get sticker shock all the time. It doesn't take long for the damage to add up. But what she told me in the course of the conversation as we were talking about it, she had said that her husband was not going to fix his car because he didn't want his rates to go up. Here's what I want you to understand is that if you're the insured and the other person that you hit files a claim, your rates are going up. Now, what I want you to also realize is the insurance company doesn't care if that's a $1,000 claim or a $10,000 claim. It's one claim that raises your rates. So his car is part of that claim because it's the same accident. He backed into her car. So at that point, I explained to her that her ex-husband should fix his car, or at a minimum, cash out. If you don't know what cashing out is, reach out to us, because the insurance company, both cars, one claim. If you only pay to fix the person that you hit, pay to fix their car, the insurance company's raising your rates. So you might as well have your car fixed at the same time. Now remember, on the claimant's car, your insurance company pays 100% of that. On your car, you're still going to have to pay your deductible, but the claims, one claim. It's not two claims that raises your rates twice. It just raises your rates once because you're the insured. So what you want to remember is that if you're the insured, now, and if you don't want to fix your car, at a minimum, at least file the claim and cash out and take the money, because you're entitled to that money. They owe that to you because you really should get your car fixed because it's a major asset. But my point is that this lady didn't know, and her ex-husband didn't know, is that all the cars involved, if you rear end a bunch of people sitting at a stoplight and you rear end 3 or 4 cars, bam, 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 you drive one car into another car into another car. Doesn't matter if that's a $50,000 claim or not, or a $50 claim, it raises your rates. So it doesn't matter how many cars there are. It just matters that you are at fault. Now, this is one of the reasons why you always want to call the police, right? But we can talk about that in another video. What I want you to go away with this video knowing is that if you're the insured and you've hit a car, then you've got a claim. You might as well get your car fixed because they're already raising your rates anyway. And protect your number 2 largest asset for most people and get that car fixed. But it's not going to raise your rates a second time. A completely different accident at a different time on a different day, that will raise your rates a second time. But putting your car and getting your car fixed on this claim for the car that you hit, not going to raise your rates a second time. They're raising your rates for that accident to begin with. And so you might as well fix your car because they're going to raise your rates anyway. If you have any questions on this, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're happy to help with this kind of stuff. And again, this woman was, I'm going to speculate, probably in her mid to late 40s. They have a couple of teenage children, and her ex-husband didn't know this, and she didn't know this. So this is one of the reasons why we do these videos here at Sharp Auto Bodies, because we want to help educate you and we want to help protect you financially to do the best thing for you. So in a case like this, the best thing is to get both cars fixed because they're raising your rates either way. So have a safe week, and we'll see you soon.